In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the verification status of your Google Business profile. It's a simple process and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're on the right track. Verifying your business helps improve your credibility and ensures that your information appears accurate to customers searching for you online. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll see a sign in button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you haven't signed in before, you'll be prompted to use your Gmail account that's connected to your business. This step is crucial for accessing your Google Business dashboard. However, if you've already signed in before, the system will direct you straight to your Google Business dashboard. This dashboard is the control center for your business profile, providing you with access to all the necessary tools and information. Now, there's also an alternative way to reach your dashboard. Just go to Google and type in your business name or simply type My Business. Hit enter and your business name should appear among the search results. Once you find it, click on View Profile. This action will guide you back to your dashboard seamlessly. Once you're in your Google Business dashboard, the next thing you should look for is the verified badge. This badge indicates that your business has been verified by Google. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see this badge prominently displayed either on your dashboard or under the map of your business on that page. In the event that your page hasn't been verified yet, it will be clearly indicated on the dashboard. You should notice a banner below, along with a Get Verified badge. Clicking on this badge will kickstart the verification process. Just follow the additional steps provided and be mindful that verification might take some time. Google will send you a notification once your business gets verified, so hang tight. Ensuring that your Google Business profile is verified not only instills confidence in your potential customers, but also enhances your visibility in online searches. It's a worthwhile endeavor and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the verification process. Remember, keeping your business information accurate and updated plays a significant role in fostering trust and reliability with your customer base. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content about managing your online presence effectively. If you have any questions or encounter any troubles along the way, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help.